Hey everybody, it's Randy with Carchaeology, and I wanted to introduce a new arrival here to the lab. It is a car that I think may have some of the most interesting history of anything that we've possibly touched. It's a car that I came across up at Monterey Car Week. It was something that was out there at the racetrack. It was not on the lawn at Pebble Beach. It was not some multi-million-dollar crazy collectible thing. But wherever it went, it brought an amazing amount of attention. Photos of this thing bombing all around Monterey have popped up on the internet, and it really, really crashed the party when it came down to Monterey Car Week, as far as I'm concerned. And when I saw it, it absolutely blew my mind. I posted up a video of it up on Instagram. It's been viewed almost 1 million times. And after talking with the owners of the cars that turn out to be people that I've dealt with back in the day, we negotiated to bring this out here to the lab in California, where I can work my wonders with it, chase down its real history, and share it with the world. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek here of what it is. It's right behind me here. It is a 1970 Cadillac Eldorado Superfly style custom. Now, this car supposedly has some Barris ties. I'm going to chase down that history, try to find what the story is behind all of that. I'm going to share the story of how this car came out to California and the adventures that came along with it. And I'm also going to have a little bit of fun with this. So I've been shopping for the proper attire to cruise this baby down the road with, and I definitely plan on having some proper shenanigans with this thing while it's here in my hands. So please tune in, follow along, subscribe, share, laugh, guffaw, etc., etc. That's what it's all about. I thank you all for watching Carchaeology. Keep on digging them up and driving them. And this one here is going to be a blast to drive. So come along for the ride, baby. It's going to be wild. It's just the craziest freaking thing.